The 2024 AMG GLE53 is very sophisticated. 3 types of power, one of which is electric, combine to produce enormous torque, which is distributed intelligently to all 4 wheels. The most advanced technology from driver assistance to the digital cockpit is wrapped in a bolder new body. A 302 horsepower 4-cylinder engine to a plug-in hybrid with 752 pound-feet of torque to a pair of electric motors capable of a 3.0-second sprint to 60 miles per hour. The only common thread running through Mercedes' vast performance portfolio right now is the big brains behind the cars. The 2024 Mercedes AMG GLE53 makes gold from its 6-cylinder engine, turbocharger, electric supercharger and 48-volt electric motor. The GLE53 is a mid-range variant of Mercedes' midsize SUV, but this 429 horsepower middle child clearly hasn't been forgotten by its caretakers. A refresh for the 2024 model year has brought subtle improvements to the SUV. Exterior changes are minimal. However, more significant improvements have been made to the standard equipment list and engine output.